Well, we're here in beautiful Vaughan, my brand new listing here at 148 Crofters Road. Absolute stunning home. It's been extensively renovated in the last few years. Got a gorgeous outdoor, extensive landscape with a beautiful 28 by 15 foot saltwater pool. Great for enjoying those summer days. Main floor and upper floor have been completely renovated with wide plank oak hardwood floors. Custom chef's kitchen. Do you work from home? We've got a gorgeous home office with built-in desk and bookshelves. You're absolutely gonna love it. You know what? Let's go have a tour. Welcome to 148 Crofters Road. The grand entrance features a two-story foyer featuring soaring 16-foot ceilings and custom large format porcelain tile. A true statement the moment you walk in. The living room is bright and elegant, showcasing wide plank oak hardwood floors, pot lights, crown molding, and large windows that fill the space with natural light. Even the laundry room impresses, completely updated with front-load washer and dryer. The formal dining room is designed for entertaining, perfect for hosting family and friends, with wide plank hardwood floors, crown molding, and a large picture window. The renovated kitchen is a showstopper. Porcelain tile, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, quartz countertops, custom backsplash, and views overlooking your private backyard oasis. The family room is warm and inviting with a gas fireplace, rich oak hardwood floors, pot lights, and oversized windows that bring the outdoors in. The eat-in area offers the ideal family space with a walkout to your expansive composite deck, perfect for summer meals or watching the kids enjoy the pool. The main floor office is an ideal work-from-home space featuring rich oak hardwood floors, a formal layout, and custom built-in shelving and desk. The principal bedroom is a retreat in itself, massive in size with hardwood floors, 2 walk-in closets, and a luxurious 5-piece ensuite featuring a double quartz vanity, frameless glass shower, and a modern deep soaker tub. The second bedroom is like a private suite, complete with its own 4-piece ensuite, hardwood flooring, large closet, and pot lights. Bedrooms 3 and 4 are generously sized, with hardwood floors, large windows, and ample closet space, ideal for kids, guests, or even a home and office. The fully finished basement offers flexibility and space, featuring durable laminate flooring, a large recreation room with custom built-ins, a games area with a fireplace, and a convenient walkout to the covered patio. The basement also features a private cedar sauna, a convenient 3-piece bathroom, and a dedicated hot tub room, creating the perfect at-home wellness retreat for relaxation and rejuvenation. Step outside to your backyard oasis, extensively landscaped with a large composite deck, built-in gas barbecue, multiple dining and lounging areas, and a fully covered stone patio. At the center, a stunning 28 by 15 foot saltwater pool, built in 2021, ready for unforgettable summers. Well, thanks for coming on the tour here today. I told you, an absolute stunner. If you'd like more information or like to book your private tour, give me a call or send me a message. Happy to help you out. Find me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax, and have yourself a beautiful day.